car, new coupe, new fit, new swag, new shoes.
YouTube, so we are on the phone with it. If you guys don't know, my camera don't get wide enough, so gotta use the phone. Let me see how it sounds out there. So I just put the exhaust mode in track. Let me see if it got louder. Oh my fucking goodness. By the way, that exhaust is stock. So whatever modifications you guys do end up adding to your Mustang GT, if Mustang GT is the option for you guys, you will realize like this shit sound crazy as shit. But what I like to do is I like to keep it on the miles per hour, because sometimes I do be tapping on the pedal a little bit too lightly and I'll be going 100 miles on the video game GTA, of course. But let's hit the road. $50,000 limit, right? Determine Mustang GT, Scat Pack, or Hellcat. I know there's a few Hellcats that's going for like 50,000 as of right now, because the market went down. I don't know what happened, but you can buy Hellcats for 50K. I'm not sure where. Don't mark me on my words, but I did see a few Hellcats going for just 50K. Oh. Alright. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he heard me from a mile away. Buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Alright, so we made it to our first stoplight. Should I go or should I stop? Y'all let me know down in the comments. I'm so humble because I remember like a few months back, I was literally in the same position. I was getting on the bus every day. That's why I'm so humble. Within like anything that I do, I'm not necessarily bragging on anybody on what I got. When I first got my vehicle, like I posted it once, posted it on YouTube, and then enough was said. Now I'm gonna post the vehicle more, as I should had been when it was blue, creating content and just showing the journey of my Mustang GT. Y'all let me know down in the comments, what state have the worst drivers? Like, I don't know if y'all been to too many states, but my top 2 right now is Florida is at 1, Texas is at 2. For some reason, they cannot drive. Even though there's a lot of people traveling through or even just visiting Texas with rental cars with Texas plates, I would say anybody to go to Texas, y'all just forgot how to take the wheel. YouTube, let me know what y'all think about Cybertrucks. That look like a Matt Gray Cybertruck. But if you guys don't know, which I didn't realize before wrapping my car, is the matte black is ass compared to satin black. If you guys are planning on wrapping your car and you thinking like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go matte black, no, just go satin black. And if you got a homie that's gonna do that, just talk him out of it, and he'll realize later down the line, if he get that matte black and see the satin black car, be like, damn, he fucked up. Now you gotta rewrap your car. But with that being said, I don't really have no cool ass cars out here. Like, it'd be like sometimes you will see them. The coolest car I've seen so far, like in the past month, is probably a Supra, MK5 at that. Got somebody in the group chat with me, he got an MK4. His shit red and it's hard and it sound crazy. But with all of that being said, I do need to pick y'all up when I'm getting a better point of view drive. Alright. Yo, look at this. It say cautious. May go sideways without warning. Shorty, let me know. Let me know when you gonna do some dumbass shit to go sideways, so I can stay the hell away from you. I should get a red light. Nigga, how you got a red light on the highway? Shit be crazy. Holy shit. Oh, hear that shit, bro? This shit is crazy. That shit is crazy, man. The only thing that I feel like can keep up, like with ease, Shout out to y'all little Scat Pats, y'all little Camaros. But not gonna lie, the only thing that can really keep up to me that I seen is those Type R's. I'm not sure if it can keep up, but off the line, without like, I don't know, without spinning out, they can keep up, sorta. I gotta experience more within a Type R. But Teslas can keep up. Them bitches be going crazy. I'm not sure if all Teslas can keep up, but one time I was on the way out of town, and it was just a Tesla just keeping up behind me, and we were cutting up together. It was like a crazy ass experience. But with all that being said, I'm about to go to this famous tunnel that I'm obviously about to make famous at this point. Yeah, it just tends to happen. Like anytime I decide to go somewhere or a location to create content, boom, now it's viral videos there. Now everybody going there to shoot a viral video. And then boom, when they see me, they're like, oh, you that dude from TikTok. But I don't do TikTok no more. What are you breaking for, buddy? Actually, I do TikTok. I do TikTok, but I don't post as much as I used to. So let me take that back and rephrase what I just said. Anywho, we are chilling, cooling, vibing. So that you gotta go. Let me know down in the comments what kind of content you want to see. Would y'all like me to start a car channel? Would y'all like me to make my car louder, faster? Are y'all liking the rap, the satin black? Let me know down in the comments what are y'all thinking within watching this video. But with all that being said, I'll pick you guys up in just a moment. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Oh my fucking goodness. This shit sound crazy as shit. Look. Oh my goodness. This is the craziest sounding car that came past this tunnel. Never heard nothing even crazier. On the way to my twin game, and it's about 50 minutes away. And we literally just started. It's about an hour drive total, probably an hour and 10. I'm gonna cut it down about 15, at least 15 or 20 minutes, just off the way that I'll be driving. So with that being said, let me know if you guys are enjoying the video so far, and what do y'all want to see next. One thing I realized while watching people do point of view drives, I always wanted to see them like look around. I wanted to see different angles and different parts of the driving experience. So I'm gonna continue to try to put that into play within these videos that I'm bringing out to you guys. And I literally just dropped the video. It got copyrighted, but I'm not monetized yet, so I really don't give a damn. But with that being said, this shit's crazy. I fuck with that color. Y'all fuck with that color? This shit kind of look like mine. Who car look better? Let me know in the comments. That Jeep was crazy, and it was lifted. What's the legal limit that you can lift your vehicle? Y'all let me know down in the comments, because I know certain truck drivers, they lift their shit to the extreme and be getting pulled over just off that. But I'll pick you guys up just in a second. I want to vibe to some music just off the fact that who's about to record for an hour. Shit crazy. 6, 7.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. Who you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. will be one of the greatest. That is a vow, yeah, that is a promise.